How to save audio file in Messenger using mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, whenever you will try to open up your messages on Messenger and try to download the audio file, you won't be able to do it. So instead you will have to open up your browser and search for mbasic.facebook.com. After that, just simply open up the first link, but before that click on the three dots at the top right hand side corner, and over here make sure that you select the option of desktop site. After that, just zoom it up and open up the very first link, and this will open up the basic Facebook which was years ago. And after that, you just have to open up the messages and open up the message from that particular person where you have received the audio or the voice file. Just simply click on it and it will download, and it will download on your Android device quite easily. And this is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.